Hi, the next project is blockchain-based solution for secured transmission of examination paper. So the main concept of this paper is to uh, securely share the examination paper, the exam question paper, in between some modules. So this paper suggested a few modules like COE, then yeah, COE teacher, superintendent. So and suggested few concepts like share the PDF file of the question examination paper using the IPFS server and store the data, whatever shared data in the blockchain of Ganache. So I use the same software configuration. So Django with Django, Python, and Ganache IPFS server. So I implemented this paper and with extra module called the recipient. So let's start this server. So you already set up the keys of this Ganache into the code, and I already set up the IPFS server to the code. Yeah. So the server is started. Sorry. Yeah. So this is a home page. So then, sorry. So there are four stakeholders: COE, superintendent, teacher, and recipient. So COE login is fixed. There is no sign up for COE, and COE can create the superintendents. Like I'm adding one account here. Yeah. So the COE can see the existing stakeholders of superintendents, and now the COE can raise the paper request. So as per the flow, the COE raise the paper request and it will go to the superintendent, and next the superintendent will forward that request to the teachers. I mean, selected by the against those teachers are selected by the superintendent, and then the teacher will upload the exam papers, and based on the superintendent response, I mean final superintendent finalize the paper and forward to the COE will upload the file into the IPFS and Ganache. So then that file will be shared to the recipient. So this is the thing, this is the flow of the execution. Now I'm creating the exam IDs. So now exam name. So oh yeah. Yes, I create a request so admin can have this one request to send to the superintendent, and now I'm login as a yeah superintendent. So now admin can sorry superintendent can see the teachers and their profile. So I'm paper request also. See is supposed to allot to the teachers, and after completion of allotments, he can close the request, and that will be comes here. So before that, so I'm going to create a two accounts of teachers. Yeah, sign up is completed. Yes. So now I'm logging out and I'm logging as again superintendent. So now the superintendent can see the teachers. So one profile, another profile, work experience working at one profile, another profile. So based on the profile, so we can forward the request. So I'm forwarding to the two maths teachers, and the teacher is allocated to job and did some validations also. The teacher is already allocated to this job, and now Ali. So two teachers are allocated for this job, and I'm closing this request. So now it will be come here. So based on the responses of the teachers comes here. The superintendent can see here and log out and log in as a teacher. So now paper request, the teachers can see and upload the request. I mean upload the paper. So some paper uploaded successfully. So I'm log out. So log in as another user. Sorry, another teacher. Yeah, uploaded. So now again I'm logging back to the superintendent. So he can see the paper request. So now this is the exam ID, exam name, subject, and view paper. So these are the two responses he got. So one by Sajid and another by Ali. So he can see the paper. A small typo error. So you can see the paper. Yeah, and based on the paper which he likes, so he can finalize the paper. The paper is final. So now paper request. So he can't see any data. So his job role is completed. So now I'm logging as a COE. Yes. So now view paper request. So now I got a finalized paper. So paper is finalized and view paper and now yeah, after seeing the paper, just upload to the IPFS and blockchain. So the blockchain is ready. This account I integrated, and then IPFS also ready. So upload to the IPFS and blockchain. Yeah, paper is uploaded to the IPFS and data stored in blockchain. So yeah, few blocks are reduced. I mean, few gases is reduced. So then paper request. So now paper is in decentralized app, so now he can admin can the COE can get the paper from the IPFS server and blockchain block from the blockchain data. Yeah, the file so and so this is the CID. I mean, this is the ID of the IPFS server. So IPFS server will takes that file and store it with a hash ID. So whenever again you upload the same file, it will generate same key and it doesn't allow the duplicate data. So now we can exactly download from the IPFS server with this file. Yeah, we got the file And yeah, in the code folder we have a download option here. So the file will be downloaded here. See, the just before, yeah, we downloaded here. And using this ID also we can retrieve that content in the IPFS server. So now in the IPFS server, yes, we can retrieve the content. Yes, bro. So we got it. We can download. We can have a download option. So now this is the you know recipe. I mean that is that those are the features of CVOE, and now we have a recipient to sign up. So the recipients can view papers. So now this is a previous data. So now this is our data. So get the paper. So these are get by the blockchain. So the blocks are again 99.942. Again it reduced to 99.92. Some ethereums are reduced. So now I get the paper. So I got it from the IPFS server. This one I got from the IPFS server. We got it. So this is the project. So we can say using the IPFS server, so we can securely share the COE with the main administration to the recipients, whoever it required, like the colleges or any boards or something. So this is the papers, and this was developed in Django, Python, and Ganache and IPFS server. So thank you.